Are we doing this again? Are we doing this again?
Mommy!
Hey, don't yell.
Mommy!
She's coming.
Mommy!
Hey. Hey.
Mommy! Mommy!
Johnny, stop yelling.
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
What? You just want to yell my name, that's all.
That's not even your name. That's your title.
That's your title.
He's getting tough. No, spitting. No, that's not nice. Stop instigating.
I'm not instigating anything. How am I instigating? Turning on the camera? That's instigating?
You want me to push?
No. I'll just stop it now. Goodbye, my baby girl.
I will see.
Bye, my baby girl.
I will see. Me.
All right,
She's not looking at you.
I know. Like most women.
I'm looking at you.
Like most men. Thank you. Oh. Be gentle, John. Come and ride the choo-choo train.
A dinosaur.
Awesome.
Could be.
There she is. Your true match.
Can I go talk to her?
Go ahead.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, they don't have the right filters.
Mommy, I need to get down so I don't get hurt.
What? Sabrina's gonna hurt you?
No, Mommy, the car is going to hurt me.
The cart? It's not gonna hurt you.
Okay.
It won't hurt.
It's hurting way over here.
What happened to the side of his face?
He fell down, he said.
When did you fall down?
Because I...
Look at this. This is evidence.
I see.
Gentle.
Gentle John. Okay, bye guys. Bye.
Say bye to Daddy so he'll shut it off.
Bye.